feels good out here, sort. No. He's looking at his little things. Hey everybody, just looking at my bugs. My little buggy wuggies. Ding a ding a ding. Twinkle, twinkle, twinkle. You like that? You like that, Mama's pretty boy? He's got his little polo on. Hey, you smiling at Mama? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Oh, that's not a smile anymore. Okay, so, we're gonna go out. My grandma and my sister and Zoe are here. We're gonna go get something to eat and just get out of the house. Little man's all ready to go. He just had a blowout, so he should be good for a while. Okay, so we just got us some Starbucks Java chips. Zoe's sharing hers with great grandma. Now we're going home. We got some pizza. We went shopping.
And I got a door knocker.
Jamie got a door knocker. And I got an oven mitt. We're so cool. Josh is hosing off the little fire truck. And my birdies are gone. I came up today and they was gone. They always looked at me when I went in. Hey Lila, did you get some water?
Yep.
Grandma holding Gavin. Babe, do it to her. Lila likes the water. Woohoo! She's like, what are you doing? She just sat down. Pixie don't like it. Joey. Jamie's hiding.
Alana loves that. It's not very powerful, everybody, I promise. It's only like 1,500 PSI, so it's not gonna hurt her, I promise. She does it all the time. She knows it's only like powerful from like 2 inches from the nozzle, so she's fine. It's like misting right now. Enjoy right on now. Good girl, baby. Oh.
Rainbow. Okay, come on. Zoe's getting in her new ride. She's coming to the rescue.
Okay, pedal it forward. There you go. Push.
Come on, push, 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 push.
Honey, maybe they got some fire.
They got some fire, hurry.
Hello? Oh.
Wee woo, wee woo. Yeah. Oh, it's for me?
Yes.
Hey, you need Zoe to come rescue you? Go, go, go! Go! They need you.
Oh, who is it?
They got a fire.
Pedal.
Come on.
Come on, pedal.
Look,
That's your
look.
fire pup.
Yeah, that's my problem.
There's the problem.
Let me get the.
Go get it. Go get it.
Okay. I hear.
Jamie has taken over.
Let him go.
She's really pedaling.
Stop, Mommy.
Okay.
Stop,
Okay,
get him.
I'll try it. Wait a minute.
Stop, Mommy.
Yeah.
Do it
All right.
stand on my-
Get in and
You were
go.
sitting on her puppy. Jamie and a rescue dog.
You left it beside, Mom. Bye, y'all.
Fire hoses. Other
Oh,
What's up, y'all? We just got something to eat from Subway.
Subway.
And then we're about to go to GameStop because I don't know what brought it up yesterday. Kelsey wants to play the Call of Duty Zombies or whatever. And she don't like the new ones on Black Ops. So we gotta go get World at War. We gotta get the original zombie game, I guess, because she thinks it's the best. It is pretty fun, so we're gonna go to GameStop and find it so she can play it. It's like 12 bucks used or something, so we're gonna go do that. She loves playing the zombie game. And then we're gonna come home. Whoa, oh, okay. Backing up, backing up.
Backing up. Backing up. Backing
Okay. And then,
Are you telling me to shut up?
huh?
Are you telling me to shut up?
No. Okay. What are we gonna do when we get home?
Play zombie.
Play zombies. We're gonna do that. We downloaded a new program last night to start editing videos, and I think it's better. It's like what we're looking for. It ain't like too technical, but it has like a lot of cool features. You like do video overlays and stuff in it. So you have like 3 or 4 videos going on at one time. It has little templates and stuff. So that's gonna be fun to play around with today. And then we'll probably make our intro this weekend since we have a long weekend because it's Memorial Day. And I don't know, most of the time my mom has cookouts on Memorial Day. My mom gets in this cookout frenzy or whatever it is. She has like a cookout like twice a month. Hey, it's like the second Saturday of the month. Let's have a cookout. Don't you, baby? So we have a cookout all the time. We do cheeseburgers one time, hot dogs next, steaks the next. There's all kinds of random stuff, but it's always fun to get together with everybody. But we gonna do that probably. I don't know. Mom hadn't brought that up yet. We'll see. She'll probably watch this video and be like, oh yeah, we need to do one. So that's probably gonna happen. Oh, I wish I could stay home from work all the time.
Me too.
I tell my boss man I'm ready to go home. Not because I don't want to work. It's because I'm ready to go home and see my wife and my child. And when it's 3:30 or 4:30, I'm ready to go home. It's not that I don't want to be there. It's that I'd rather be at home. That's just that's just how it is. That's what it is. It is what it is. And I need the money and everything, but money will come. You can't get time back. Time just disappears and it's not renewable. You don't get a little thing where you hit the rewind button and try again. It don't happen like that. You can get your earned money some other way. So I don't care what they say. I'm gonna come home as soon as I freaking possibly can. Cause I don't like working all the time and not being home. It sucks. I think that is gonna be it today. Me and Kelsey are gonna play some Nazi zombies. She loves the zombie game, so yeah, we gotta go buy that today at GameStop. The old Call of Duty, just because she likes that one zombie level, so we had to go buy it. That's the only one she'll play. She won't play Left 4 Dead or any of the new ones, so we gotta play this one. And make sure y'all give us some likes and thumbs up, and make sure y'all subscribe and let everybody know to watch us, because I think we're pretty funny peoples. What do you think? I think we're pretty funny people. You think we're pretty funny people? She thinks we're pretty funny people. What about Gannon? Gannon thinks we're pretty funny people too. Okay, we'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye!